Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPhone. Now today I'd like to show you how you can use the app within a particular Bible translation and be able to jump to other versions within that verse. Now I'm going to go to All Collections here, and in All Collections I'm going to go select Bible. And then I'm going to open up a version, let's say KJV, and I'm going to read. I can scroll down. I can quickly find the book that I want to open, which is, say, Daniel. I'm going to go to Daniel 2, and I can start reading away here in the KJV. Now, you'll see at the end of the paragraph the little translation symbol. If I tap that, it pops up and it shows me other languages as well as other versions. Maybe I want to go down to the AKJV, and I can just tap on that and it'll open up that version in a split screen. So now as I scroll down in the KJV, it will sync along with the same verse in the AKJV. I can also, if I wish, to change the main screen version. You'll notice that there's a little icon there that looks like a Bible, and if I tap that and I switch to, say, the Darby translation, you'll notice it will show up in the Darby translation. And as I scroll through, whichever window I tap, I can actually sync. So I can actually scroll up here, or I can scroll down here in the Bible versions. If I'm on the right screen, that's the bottom one, it's Darby. If I'm on the left screen here, it's KJV. So see in the heading here, if I want to change the version in the top screen, I tap that, and I can go to, say, Webster's, and it will update the top screen. If I want to update the version in the bottom screen, I tap the little Bible icon there, and I can go to Young's literal translation, and then I can continue to scroll. So you have independent control of the windows with two Bible versions, and you can only have two open at a time. All right, so thanks for joining us in another little episode on learning how to use some techniques and tips within the EGW Writings 2 app. And today we learned how to switch different versions either within a split screen or within the app window itself. So thanks for joining us. Have a nice day.